3-bedroom/3-bath in the city. Amazing opportunity in Savanna Crossings. Located on a corner lot, this beauty features a great floor plan and lots of square footage. The main level is extremely convenient with easy access from the main level garage that leads into a laundry/utility conveniently located right off the kitchen. Large living area with hardwood flooring. Split bedroom design with large master bedroom with full master bath and walk-in closet. 2 other bedrooms share a hall bath. Really nice sized kitchen with eat-in area and lots of cabinet and counter space. Back deck and fully fenced in backyard. Downstairs is an amazing finished area with new LVP flooring, large open room and another full bath with double vanities. Multiple uses for this great area. Second driveway leads to another garage downstairs that features a ton of storage opportunities.